Hello everybody. Today we are test driving Iveco Daily 2019, which came in power loss and a few other problems. All the problems has been solved. And what can you tell us, sir? How was your truck driving before and how is it driving now?
It's running much better. It's running beautifully. So all the problems seem to be fixed.
Is it more responsive?
It is, yes, more responsive.
Can you see black or white smoke?
None at all.
None at all. Are you happy finally?
I am happy.
Excellent.
Thank you.
We have another happy customer from Moorhouse Garage or Supreme DPF Cleaning. You can reach me on 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues. We are certified diagnostic center and RAC repair center, approved repair center. We also fit ghost immobilizers. You can reach me on once again 07533 636 194 and please click on like button and subscribe my channel for furthermore educational videos. Thank you.